Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in NetSuite, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in NetSuite, start by understanding the platform's core offerings. Research the specific features of NetSuite that align with your business needs. Identify the modules relevant to your operations, such as ERP, CRM, or e-commerce. Explore the pricing structure on NetSuite's official website to gauge investment costs. Consider the different editions available, including NetSuite Limited Edition and NetSuite Enterprise Edition. Assess your business size and growth potential to determine which edition is appropriate. Create a budget that includes not only the software costs but also implementation and training expenses. Contact NetSuite or a certified partner for a personalized consultation. Request a demo to see the platform in action and evaluate its user interface. Inquire about customer support options and service level agreements. Review customer testimonials and case studies for insights into real-world applications. Evaluate the implementation timeline and necessary resources for a smooth transition. Gather a team comprised of stakeholders from various departments to plan your investment. Discuss the potential return on investment by examining case studies from similar businesses. Develop a detailed project plan that outlines each phase of the NetSuite implementation. Once all assessments are complete, negotiate the final terms and pricing with NetSuite or your partner. Finalize the contract and schedule an implementation kickoff meeting. Ensure all team members are on board and understand their roles in the implementation process. Begin the data migration process to transition existing records into NetSuite. Participate in training sessions provided by NetSuite or your partner to ensure all users can navigate the system effectively. Implement best practices for using NetSuite, leveraging its features for maximum efficiency. Monitor the performance of NetSuite regularly to ensure it meets your business objectives. Stay updated on software updates and features to continuously optimize your investment. Seek feedback from users and adjust processes as necessary to improve usability. Regularly review your investment in NetSuite to assess its impact on your operations and profitability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.